Hey there, in this video, I will show you how to verify your email address on Steam. Number 1. Use any browser and type Steam support. Number 2. Open up the Steam support website. Number 3. On the website, look for a button that says, Help, I can't sign in. Number 4. In here, you can submit a ticket explaining your situation. Number 5. Submit your given email address or phone number. They will help you in fixing your problem. Or you can choose to add support@steampower.com for your contacts. Remember that specific steps might vary, and Steam may have introduced new features or changed its interface since my last update. It's always a good idea to check the official Steam support documentation or contact Steam support directly for the most accurate and up-to-date information.